been given a task not to save the world, but almost as important to create a table. It could be any kind of table, stationary, budget, or if you're feeling fancy, a table of snacks. But the question is, how do you present it to your teacher, your boss, or that one colleague who judges your formatting like it's a reality show? Because right now, this looks bland. Like a sandwich with just bread. You want to make this table look amazing, spreadsheet couture, if you will. And don't worry, I've got a few tricks that'll turn this snooze fest into a showstopper. Let's start. I always begin by leaving a blank column on the left and blank row at the top. Why? Because I like living on the edge of Excel chaos. But seriously, it helps you see borders more clearly, and who doesn't love a good border reveal? So we head over to Format Column Width and change that to maybe 3. You can do 2 if you want to live dangerously, but that's pretty narrow, like trying to fit into your jeans after the holidays. Now, the words don't fit. They're crammed in there like clowns in a tiny car. So let's fix that. Go to Format Column Width, and let's bump it up to 45. That's better. Not too close to the edge. We're not animals. Give it some breathing room. Maybe 50? Ah, perfect. Though this one's a little chunky now. Let's dial it back to 30. Go to Format Column Width. Still too big. Of course, the cool kids way is to just drag the column with your mouse. Look at that. Instant satisfaction. Now, about the title, how celebrities are described by other dicks in show business, we want that to stand out. Make it the Beyonce of your table. So, go to Format Row Height and make it 30. Boom. Headliner energy. This next one? Make it 5. Gotta keep the opening act humble. Now let's add some style. Highlight everything, right-click, and go to Format Cells Border. Choose this one, the classy one. Not too bold, not too shy, just like your favorite office pen. Click Outline and Inside, then OK. Nice. Do the same for this one. Pro tip, instead of doing all that again, just press Ctrl+Y. It repeats your last action. Kind of like when you keep hitting the snooze button in the morning. Now, for the title row, highlight everything. Right-click, go to Format Cells Alignment, and hit Merge Cells. Because we're all about unity here. There we go, one big, beautiful box. Center it horizontally. You can center it vertically too. If you want it looking like it's posing for a yearbook photo. Back to borders for headings. Use a thicker line. We want that I mean business energy. Click Outline, then OK. Nice. It's starting to look like something you'd actually be proud to show. But wait, we're not done yet. It's got potential, but it's not screaming award-winning Excel art yet. Let's spice it up. Highlight a section, and let's turn that background to green. Ah, yes, the color of productivity. Or jealousy. Either works. Not loving that shade? Go to more colors, let's get fancy. Give the subheading a lighter shade of green. Boom. It's like mint meeting avocado. Aesthetic and edible. Leave the text area white, or go for a light gray. It's easy on the eyes, good for printing, and saves ink because who has money for those cartridges anyway? Seriously, printer ink is more expensive than luxury perfume. Now, let's make this table functional. Highlight your columns, go to Sort, and Filter, and activate those glorious dropdowns. Now you can sort like a boss, oldest to newest, newest to oldest. It's like time travel, but with data. Or sort names alphabetically, bring Elon Musk to the top, because of course he'd find a way to get there. Want to hide some names? Easy. Uncheck a few boxes. Gone. Poof. Like your motivation after lunch. Change your mind? Click Select All. Ta-da! Everything's back. Magic. So, have a play around. If I went too fast, don't panic. That's what the rewind button is for. Watch again. Pause. Snack. Repeat. And hey, if you really want to go wild, yes, wild in Excel, go to View Grid Lines and turn them off. Boom. Look at that sleek white background. Minimalist. Sophisticated. It's giving corporate chic. Take a screenshot, show it off, and you've got yourself a table that looks like it belongs in a tech company presentation. Enjoy your day, you spreadsheet superstar. If you like my work, smash the subscribe button, it costs you nothing. Or buy my overdramatic novel, the link is in the description.